Attention all BIRECTV customers. This is a test of BIRECTV's new system and channel called the BIRECTV Alert Ready. Had this be an actual emergency, the attention signal you just heard would have been followed by emergency information, news, or instructions. When the emergency alert system has been activated, you should tune in to Channel 5 on your BIRECTV devices, satellite, or Genie to look at more information during this time of the alert. This is a test of the BIRECTV Alert Ready system. This is just a test. Actually me. Right now. Right now.